Whoopsie, sorry, Mr. Skull. Okay. Hi. Well, today I'm doing something very different, very unusual, or as Kathy Kim would say, very unusual. Anyway, yesterday when I was at Riot, I got this lovely skull. Doo-doo-doo. Half price, very cheap. I bought it for Michael and I've painted it up. I've got my little thingamig jigs on the bottom there. Painted it up. I want to paint it up. I've painted it in white so that it will hopefully not soak into the actual styrofoam. And I've got here, look at these goodies. So nice. So unfortunately I did too much black at the bottom, but then I've got like a cool red, a green that is partly Hooker's green from Montmartre and partly, I'll show you if I can find it, this gross khaki. It doesn't really show up on the camera, but anyway, it's one that I scraped up off the mat, just the scrapings of all the different colours. So it's a combination to make a kind of nicer khaki maybe. Then I've got a beautiful metallic gold. Then I think the blue is a combination of turquoise and something else. And I've just repeated those colours. And then on top, because I ran out of turquoise, I've actually added a deep sea, which is a beautiful blue from Global. Okay, so here we go. I have no idea how this is going to go. Fingers crossed it's going to work. All right. Oh, I'm a bit nervous. I just think I'm going to... Whoopsie. Sorry, Mr. Skull. Okay. I just want to make sure that there's, stuff everywhere. So, anyway, here we go. I'm just going to do a pour. I have no idea how much paint I need for this. So I'm guessing I might have way too much. Why is there so much of that deep sea colour? I did not put that much in. It looks wicked from the back. And now it doesn't because I just changed it. Oh, I wish I could show you this. This looks so cool. I wonder if I can reach over. Just quickly look how wicked that looks. Is it focused? I hope it's focused. Oh, so cool. Are you able to see it? Am I focusing on the right bits? Oh, there's some cells coming. Anyway, I'm going to pop you back. Hope that didn't make you feel sick. But how do we do this bit in here? Oh, how do I even turn him? Oh, he is just covered. All right, I'm going to try and turn him around a bit. It looks wicked deadly, man. There's not much red, though. I'm a bit disappointed about that. Oh, so cool. So cool. I don't know how to get into... Maybe when the rest of it dries, then I'll go in and do those other bits. Because I don't want to put my fingers on anything because it looks so wicked, and if I touch it, it's going to screw it up. Just on the bits that are like his jawbone, because that bit is the only bit that's, and plus I've now run out. What if, oh, maybe I could lift that up and press it in. That might work. Just press it into those gaps. Yeah, that's kind of working. Sort of. And oh, it's made it all murky there. But I might get a paintbrush. Oh, that's so cool. I'll show you in a sec. You're gonna flow out of the nose? Come on. Just to get those little bits that I couldn't. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so good. Oh, man, I'm really, really happy. And I'm just going to pour the last little bit. Okay, guys, I'm actually gonna take you off the tripod so I can show you properly. So give me a minute. Okay, how wicked does this look? Oh, I absolutely love the top and the sides. The only bit I wish is that it wasn't just black in that bit. I mean, it's mostly black there. Even the colours down there are pretty. How do I turn it around without touching it? Maybe I'll just get... Sorry, it looks like a mega mess. But look... How cool is that? Gee, I hope it dries just like this and doesn't really change. Almost looks like snot coming out his nose. I'm just wondering, can I get the paintbrush and a bit of that red? Oh, it just looks black, doesn't it? Because I don't really want that just to be black. Maybe some of the blue. Oh, sorry. I forgot to check if you could actually see what I'm doing. Mike! Sorry about yelling in your ears. I just got to have him see this. He's still not well. Check this baby out.
Cool.
Oh, is that all you're going to say? Come have a good look.
No, I feel well.
I know you don't.
Cool.
How epic is that?
That's cool. Cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Poor Mike, he's sick. All right, I just wanted you to see.
That's cool.
Oh, well, I'm going to let this dry for a while, although I may add... Oh, I'm glad you like it. Poor Mike, he's been sick for a few days. I feel really bad for him. Just trying to get a little bit extra colour in there. Oh, this bit over here would be good. Because that's got some bright red in it. Come on. Sometimes you have to help these things along, you see. This is so much fun. I know if Michael was more well, he would be more ecstatic than he sounds. Oh, this is too cool, man. Okay, I better leave that there. But, oh, that looks so cool. Oh my goodness. And hopefully I'll have pretty skins afterwards too. So long as I can stay away from my desk for a while. Oh, he is epic. I'm loving this. Loving this. And the gold, it looks really pretty. Oh, the top looks cool too. All right, guys. Sorry to gross you out if that's what's happened, but this is too cool. All right, I'm going to go now and see you in my next video. Although I might try and show you what he looks like dry as well, but I'm going to post this before that. Okay, bye. Just quickly, I couldn't help myself. There was still a tiny bit of paint in the bottom of the cup, so I added a little bit more up here. I tried to make it look as natural as I could, but who knows? I still like it. Okay, bye.